Is your heating and air conditioning bill going through the roof, making a big dent in your checkbook every month? Well, now you can save money, use less energy, and heat your home or business with a much easier option. How, you ask? With a ductless heat pump, of course. Only from the Heat Pump Store, Ductless is all they do. You see, a ductless heat pump provides energy-efficient heating and cooling to your home or business all year long. Ductless heat pumps are extremely quiet, reliable, and can save you up to 50% off on your utility bills. Plus, there are utility incentives and state tax credits that dramatically reduces your cost of purchasing the ductless heat pump. And remember to ask about the Heat Pump Store's do-it-yourself option for even more savings. Isn't it time you put a stop to your hard-earned money going out the window? If so, call the Heat Pump Store today at 877-509-2961 for your free, no-obligation consultation, and you'll soon be on your way to a more comfortable home environment.